What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I have another awesome recipe for you guys. We are going to be making some crispy lemon pepper chicken wings, guys. This is so good. It's next level, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it out yourselves and see the outcome. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. All right, to begin, we're gonna go ahead and get this wet batter together. So on the screen, I have listed everything you will be using to get that done. Go ahead and get you a big old bowl, get everything combined just like so. Get yourself a whisk, get yourself something, and get this all mixed up, ready to season up our chicken wings to perfection. And I'm gonna let you guys in on a little bit of something. You know, in my time, I've experimented with a lot of breading when it comes to frying, and this hands down is the best, most crispiest breading you can get your hands on right here. I'm trying to let you know, this is it. All right, and as you see on the screen, this is the consistency that you're looking for. Of course, you can add a little bit of more club soda, less, but that's the consistency you want to get. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dump in our chicken wings right in this bowl. This is about, I believe, a 14 piece, but this recipe, as far as the ingredients listed, it could, you know, season up and prepare far more, maybe 25 pieces or so. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and dump all of these in a bowl, give them a nice little mix, get everything well covered up in that awesome seasoning. And I'm gonna take me some saran wrap, and I'm just gonna toss these in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. You can go straight to the fryer if you want. You can bypass the refrigerator stuff, but the longer, you know, these bad boys marinate, the better. So here we go, out of the fridge. I am just gonna shake off the excess and dump them in some plain flour just like so. Once I have them in the plain flour, I'm gonna go ahead and toss them up, make sure they get all well coated up, and we are gonna fry these at 350 degrees, guys, okay? Make sure you have your thermometer on deck, all right? And we are using peanut oil because I know you guys love to ask, but that 350 degrees is very key to get that perfect crust. You get it a little bit too hot, it's gonna brown up too quick. It's not gonna cook your chicken right, you know what I'm saying? And if you cook it too low, your breading's gonna be all soggy. You're not gonna get that crisp. So 350 is the key. Go ahead and dump them in. And these wings, we cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they're nice, beautiful, and golden brown. And something else I know you're gonna ask, can these be air fried? Not with this particular breading, because it's just not gonna come out correctly. I'm sorry. You are not gonna get this level of crisp in an air fryer. And I love my air fryer, but the traditional unhealthy frying gets you this perfection right here, this crispy, beautiful crust. You cannot get this with no air fryer. And I reiterate, I love my air fryer, ain't bashing it whatsoever. It's just, you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta go back to the roots and get that oil popping, all right? And that's what we're doing here in this video. So here we go, we got my second batch going. So we're gonna kind of repeat those steps, shake off the excess, get it in that plain flour, toss it up in that plain flour, get it in that hot oil and let it do its thing. And if you haven't tried lemon pepper wings, I don't know what's going on with you. Like, we need to sit down, have a one-on-one. We need to have a talk. You know, we gotta figure this out. If you have not tried some lemon pepper wings, I'm letting you know you are missing out on flavor, especially when you follow one of my recipes. I know you guys seen the wet lemon pepper wings that I did in the air fryer. These are special as well. I can't tell you which one is better because they're both delicious, but this right here is special. All right, so as you can see here, our second batch is going in. And like I said, we're doing this for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're nice, golden brown and looking beautiful. And here is the end result right here when they're done frying. OMG. Look at this right here. Stop playing with me. Hey, this looks so good, and best believe it tastes even better. You already know, guys. And as far as getting the lemon pepper on these wings, I should say, I'm sorry, we are doing a dry, just a regular dry seasoning. As soon as they come out the oil and you put them on your little tray right here to dry up, you're gonna go ahead and grab your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. We are using Lawry's. You guys always ask what I like to use. This is it right here. Till I come out with my own. Lawry's got something going on. All right. So here was what I'm doing. I'm just dusting them right on top, just like so. I'm gonna do both sides. I'm gonna get that first one well coated up, flip it over, and coat up the other side with that lemon pepper seasoning. And you want to season them right out of oil just so that seasoning can stick on this chicken oh so properly. All right, guys. So you want to do this until everything is well coated up, looking oh so beautiful and delicious. And does this look delicious right here? Or does this look delicious? Come on now. Look at this. All right, guys, I am ready to dig into these fried lemon pepper wings. These are so crispy, so beautiful. And I already know they got a major crunch to them, so let's get into it. Yes, sir. I know you hear the crispy crunch. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Yeah. It is so good. So good. You know, I love them flats, so I tried the flats first. Let's dig into one of these drums as well. That thing hot. But oh my goodness, it's so good. So good. You guys have to try this one out. This is a banger right here. So good. Thing is hot. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. I want to give you guys a close-up of this bad boy right here. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. This is it right here. This is it right here, guys. Stop playing with me. Look how juicy the inside is right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, I hope you guys all enjoyed watching this video. It was a blast making it. It was delicious. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed this one. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Doses.